Hey guys, our lesson today is Chapter 3, Lesson 5, Mixed Problem Solving with Integers. Our objective is 6.3d. I can add, subtract, multiply, and divide fluently. Okay, and we're actually talking about integers fluently, so we'll add that in on Monday. All right, so number one, we have a negative 4 times 3 plus 8. So what are they asking us to solve in this equation? We have multiplication and addition, so that's our mixed problem solving. And just remember, when you have your numbers, a number in parentheses, and the numbers are right next to each other, this is telling us to multiply, okay? So we're going to go from left to right. Negative 4 times 3, I know 4 times 3 is 12. Different signs, so our product is negative. Bring down the rest of our equation, plus 8. Okay. Remember our saying for adding integers, same sign, add, and keep the sign. Different signs, subtract, and then take the sign of the bigger number. So we have a negative 12 plus a positive 8, different signs, so I can subtract those, doing 12 minus 8. We know that's 4. I have more negatives than I do positives, so that gives us a negative 4. Okay, let's look at another example. Number 2, we have negative 25 divided by 5 minus 3. So we have two different operations, division and subtraction. We're going to solve for division first. So this is the same thing as negative 25 divided by 5. Or negative 25 divided by 5. So I'm going to work this out over to the side. So I know 25 divided by 5, we're just dividing like normal. 5 cannot go into 2. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So this gives us a quotient of 5. Different signs, so our answer is negative. Bring down my minus 3. We know subtracting is the same as adding the opposite. So we're going to keep, change. So this is negative 5. Subtraction changes to adding, addition. The opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. Okay, same sign, add and keep the sign. Both negative, so 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 gives us 8. Keep the sign because they're both negative and we get a negative 8. Okay, number 3. Number 3, we have negative 4 times negative 5 times negative 2 minus a negative 8. So we're going to use our number bond. I have 4 times 5, which is 20. Same sign, so it is a positive 20. Bring down the rest of our equation. Okay, now I'm going to solve for my 20 times 2. We're going to left to right again. 20 times negative 2. I know 20 times 2 gives me 40. They're different signs, so it's negative minus a negative 8. We're going to use keep, change because we're subtracting integers. I'm going to keep my first integer, change to addition, change to the opposite. The opposite of negative 8 is positive 8. Okay? We have different signs, so we're going to find the difference, subtract 40 minus 8. That does give us 32. I have more negatives than positives, so it's a negative 32. Okay, our last example. I have 36 divided by negative 12 times negative 1 plus negative 7. We're going to first solve for 36 divided by negative 12. So if I come over here, 36 divided by 12. 12 goes into 36 3 times. 3 times 12 is 36. So this becomes 3 different signs, so our quotient is negative. Bring down the rest of your equation times a -1 plus a -7. Okay, left to right. Now I'm going to solve for -3 times -1. 3 times 1 is 3. Same signs, positive, plus a -7. Different signs, subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number. 7 minus 3 gives us 4. I have more negatives than positives, so our answer is -4. All right, so this has set us up for the base for our lesson. Bring your notes to class. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you Monday.